If you are a student or worker, this video is definitely for you. Interested in earning extra income? Stay until the end. The last side hustle could be a game changer. Consider Reddit community growth. Build and manage online communities, ensuring a positive and engaging environment. Leverage design skills with presentation creation, crafting compelling pitch decks for clients. Dive into brand style guide creation, defining elements like colors and typography for brand identity. Create data visualization reports, transforming complex KPI data into clear, easy-to-understand visuals. Explore real estate by offering listing photos and floor plan digitization for property sales and marketing. Are you looking for a unique and profitable way to earn money from home? Discover the exciting world of Reddit community growth and moderation, a side hustle with significant potential. This involves creating, growing, and managing subreddits or offering moderation services to existing communities and brands seeking a platform presence. To excel, you will need skills in understanding Reddit's ecosystem, community management, moderation tools, and effective communication. Start by exploring Reddit's own Moderator Help Center, a comprehensive resource for understanding the platform's guidelines and best practices. Consider online courses in community management to deepen your expertise in fostering positive engagement and resolving conflicts. Additionally, learn from successful existing communities by observing their moderation styles and engagement strategies. Once skilled, you can find opportunities on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where clients actively seek community managers and moderators. You can also directly contact brands that could benefit from a strong Reddit presence, offering your specialized services. Brand-safe moderation is paramount. This involves meticulous content filtering to ensure all posts align with brand values and community guidelines. Fostering positive engagement is equally crucial, encouraging constructive discussions and a welcoming atmosphere for all members. This side hustle offers flexibility and the chance to build valuable skills while contributing to vibrant online communities. Start exploring this opportunity today and transform your passion for Reddit into a rewarding income stream. Are you searching for a creative side hustle that offers flexibility and can be done from anywhere? What if you could transform your design skills into a truly profitable business venture? Welcome to the world of presentation and pitch deck design, a crucial service for businesses and startups. This side hustle involves crafting visually compelling slide decks for investor pitches, business proposals, and internal presentations. Well-designed presentations are vital for companies to effectively communicate their ideas, secure funding, and impress stakeholders. To master this skill, numerous online learning platforms are at your fingertips. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare offer extensive courses covering design principles, software proficiency, and storytelling techniques. You can also find countless free tutorials on YouTube, providing practical, hands-on learning experiences. Consistent practice is absolutely crucial for developing your skills and building an impressive portfolio. Once proficient, you can find clients through popular freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTel. Networking on professional platforms like LinkedIn can also lead to direct client opportunities and valuable collaborations. This side hustle offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to earn income from virtually anywhere in the world. So, are you ready to embark on your journey into the rewarding world of presentation and pitch deck design? Start learning today, build your portfolio, and unlock your potential for a profitable creative career. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe channel for more profitable side hustle insights, and share your own ideas in the comments below. Are you looking for a flexible and creative way to earn income from home? Brand style guide creation could be your next successful side hustle. A brand style guide is a crucial document that defines a brand's visual and verbal identity, ensuring consistency across all platforms. It typically includes essential elements like specific color palettes, often with HEX or RGB codes, to maintain visual harmony. Typography guidelines, including font families, sizes, and usage rules, are also vital for a brand's unique voice. Furthermore, UI kits, which are collections of user interface components like buttons, forms, and icons, ensure a cohesive digital experience. To acquire these valuable skills, aspiring freelancers can leverage a wealth of online learning platforms. Udemy offers a wide range of courses, from beginner to advanced levels, covering graphic design, branding, and UI/UX design. Coursera also provides extensive learning opportunities with over 10,000 courses from 350 plus leading universities and companies. Additionally, YouTube tutorials offer a free and accessible way to learn specific design software and branding principles. Once your skills are developed, building a strong portfolio is essential to showcase your work to potential clients. Platforms like Behance are popular choices for designers to display their projects, including brand style guides, logos, and web designs. Dribbble, for example, allows users to explore work from talented designers and offers features to find talent or get hired. Finally, freelancers can find clients and earn money from home through various online marketplaces. Upwork is a prominent platform connecting freelancers with businesses seeking design services, offering diverse project opportunities. Fiverr is another freelance services marketplace where you can find top global talent for various categories, including graphics and design. TopTal is an exclusive network that vets the top 3% of global talent, including designers, offering high-impact solutions for businesses. These platforms provide excellent avenues to work on diverse projects and build a successful freelance career in brand style guide creation. Embrace this opportunity to transform your creative passion into a profitable side hustle. Your journey to becoming a successful brand style guide creator starts now. Are you an aspiring entrepreneur looking for a flexible, home-based side hustle with significant earning potential? The world of data visualization reports for founders offers a lucrative opportunity to leverage your analytical skills and help businesses thrive. This venture involves transforming complex data sets into easily digestible visual formats like charts, graphs, and interactive dashboards. By doing so, you empower founders to identify crucial trends, make informed decisions, and communicate their insights effectively. To excel in this field, mastering tools like Tableau or Microsoft Power BI is essential. These platforms allow you to create dynamic and compelling reports that truly speak to business needs. Starting your journey is straightforward. Begin by building a strong portfolio. Practice with publicly available datasets or create mock reports for hypothetical businesses to showcase your capabilities. Next, define your niche. Will you specialize in financial data, marketing analytics, or perhaps operational efficiency reports? A clear focus helps you target the right clients and refine your expertise. Once your portfolio is ready, it's time to find your first clients. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points for freelancers. Create compelling profiles, highlight your unique skills, and showcase your best portfolio pieces to attract potential founders. Networking within entrepreneurial communities, both online and offline, can also open doors to valuable connections and projects. Remember, consistency and continuous learning are key to building a successful data visualization side hustle. Embrace the challenge, refine your craft, and watch your entrepreneurial dreams take shape. Start today your journey and transform data into powerful insights for founders, creating your own path to financial independence. Are you seeking a flexible, rewarding side hustle that leverages your creativity and offers significant earning potential from home? The real estate market is booming online, and professional visuals are more crucial than ever for attracting potential buyers. This guide introduces you to the lucrative world of real estate listing photos and floor plan digitization, a perfect opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. This venture involves capturing high-quality images and creating accurate digital floor plans of properties for real estate agents, homeowners, and property managers. Your keen eye for detail and basic photography skills are your primary assets in this growing field. To master real estate photography, focus on composition, lighting, and editing techniques. Online courses and tutorials can provide comprehensive training. For floor plan digitization, essential software includes AutoCAD, Room Sketcher, or Smart Draw. Practice converting hand-drawn sketches into precise digital layouts. Many resources offer free trials or student versions, allowing you to develop proficiency without initial investment. Once skilled, finding clients is your next step. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points for freelance work. Create a compelling portfolio showcasing your best work to attract potential clients. Additionally, directly contacting local real estate agencies and property managers can open doors to consistent business. Highlight how professional visuals can significantly enhance their property listings and accelerate sales. With dedication, this side hustle can transform into a thriving work-from-home career, offering financial independence and flexibility. Embrace this profitable opportunity to combine your passion for visuals with the dynamic real estate market. Unlock your entrepreneurial potential and discover new opportunities with Cipher-Cash today. We have explored effective Reddit community strategies, including tips and moderation techniques. You have learned how to craft compelling presentations and design effective slide decks. We delved into creating brand style guides for a consistent and professional image. Discover how to generate insightful data visualization reports for informed decisions. We covered the real estate niche, from listing photos to precise floor plans. These are just a few pathways to financial independence and success. Your journey starts now, so don't miss out on future insights and updates. Stay ahead of the curve and informed with Cipher-Cash's latest updates. Like this video, subscribe to Cipher-Cash, and hit the bell for updates.